Good day everyone, my name is Muhammad Abdul Hakim and the topic is all about mental health. Firstly, let's recognize that mental health is just as important as physical health. Just as we care for our bodies, we must also prioritize our mental well-being. It's not a sign of weakness to seek help or to talk our struggles. In fact, it takes immense strength to acknowledge and address our mental health. We must create a supportive environment where people feel comfortable discussing their mental health without fear of judgment. This means being empathetic listener, offering support and encouraging open conversations. Additionally, education plays a key role. We need to spread our awareness about mental health conditions, their symptoms, and the resources available for support and treatment. By understanding mental health better, we recognize when we or someone we care about may need help. Furthermore, it's essential to advocate for accessible and affordable mental health services. Everyone deserves access to quality mental health care, regardless of their background or financial situation. Remember, taking care of our mental health is not selfish. It's necessary for our overall well-being. Let's continue to prioritize mental health, break the stigma, and support each other on our journeys toward mental wellness. That's all.